cases that have been recognized in Acosta concern fundamental rights, immutable characteristics that are fundamental to one's character. In Acosta, for example, taxi cab drivers were not offered protection. It was not immutable. They could come and go into the occupation of their choice, taxi cab driving, and albeit, again, another sympathetic situation. But furthermore, they also did not earn the protection because it's not a fundamental right. Oneself into a known risk, into a danger, is not recognized either under the Acosta approach. On criminal informants working against the Cali cartel in Colombia, this case is very much like that as well, because petitioner took a risk by entering the PR-25 gang.
Counsel, do you really think it's fair to compare petitioner's situation to that of non-criminal informants who...
Yes. Congress intended this very narrow relief to be offered to very specific innate characteristics or shared past experiences. The In Re CA decision of 2006 held that voluntary entrance into a risky endeavor does not qualify. To limit this to those very much like political asylum or race-based, to name a few protected grounds, who were specifically persecuted for that status. We have Rodriguez's specific situation. We don't know if all former PR-25 have tattoos. There was a case that was looked at from the 14th Circuit, the Urbina Mejia case. In that case, the facts of that case revealed that not all gangs have tattoos. And some gangs, only the ones that receive a heightened rank have tattoos.
But the record here establishes that Mr. Rodriguez, in fact, has a tattoo, and it does associate him with the gang.
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct. In Re Fuentes, not all those, again, that voluntarily enter, that includes military and also police that are hired for a duty. Even they are not protected. To reiterate the 3-year commitment the Commissioner had with PR-25, and this is a gang with a very violent criminal reputation. He was a member of this organization for 3 years, and he did admit to giving in to the criminality upon renouncing. With that, Your Honors, if there are no more questions, I submit that for the court.